Here is my most important concept is the blue mind and the red mind. There are different nervous systems in our body. One is the voluntary nervous system. Like I'm making a fist with my hand. So this is under my voluntary control. I can punch with my voluntary control. But I walk with my involuntary thing. I don't think about each and every step. So our involuntary system is trained by two things. One is our sympathetic system or our drive system, and the other is the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the system which makes us calm. For example, we are like in a forest and a tiger comes to us. So that time we need to activate our sympathetic or our red minds or stress mind, or also called as the fight and flight response. So we will activate that and we will run and we'll do whatever, even if it is 2 in the night, even if we are in our dark sleep and we hear a roar of a tiger, we'll suddenly wake up and we'll run and we'll protect ourselves and our loved ones. So our heart rate goes up when the red mind is activated. Contrastingly, the blue mind is the state where we activate our parasympathetic nervous system, the same system which is activated by the vagal nerve. That nerve or that activation calms our heart rate down and brings you in a calmer state. So breathing, meditation, lots of ways to calm yourselves down. Blue mind is a mildly meditative state, which is a state of happiness, calmness, peacefulness, a sense of happiness in the present moment, which happens when we are near water, underwater, around water, or over water on a boat, or just sitting on a beach, or probably just listening to the sound of water, or even on our walls there's a hanging a picture of blue mind scene. So that automatically triggers those neurochemicals in our brain to calm ourselves down. That is the power of our water. And since our 70% of our bodies are water, 80% of your brain is made up of water actually. That is the most calming philosophy to activate, and obviously it has to exist in balance. So you have to balance your blue mind with our red minds. But sadly, the era which we are living in, we get up in the morning first of all with alarm clocks, with lots of notification. As soon as we get up, we check our phones, WhatsApp, ping, 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 then Instagram, then YouTube notification, etc., etc. We are always running in life. We are in what we call as a task-based network. We have to complete this, we have to reach there, drive there, money issues, etc., etc. But rather, longevity happens when we are in a relaxed state, when we are in the default brain network. This is the network where we connect to the universal consciousness, to nature, and we just be and just grateful to live and just breathe without any agenda in mind. And this is the same state where children, specifically in schools, they daydream. So daydreaming is the same state where your alpha waves are activated in your brain. You just let the thoughts come into you. You can master the balance between the blue mind and the red mind.